Stoicism is a philosophy centered around inner strength and wisdom. The fundamental principles of this philosophy can help us lead a more meaningful life with inner resilience. Stoics believe that speaking negatively about oneself can undermine self-esteem. Avoiding speaking ill of oneself, embracing a positive mindset, and remembering our potential can boost personal confidence. Personal development, according to Stoics, is an individual journey that should be lived with humility. Demonstrating real growth involves actions more than words. Therefore, quietly experiencing personal development and expressing it through actions is crucial. Stoics, who advocate moderation as a fundamental virtue, emphasize the importance of not going to extremes. Not going to extremes and leading a balanced life with a moderate perspective is essential for long-term success. Stoics believe that effective communication involves not only speaking, but also listening. Wisdom entails making room not only for our own thoughts, but also for the perspectives of others. Hence, active listening and thoughtful communication are crucial for effective communication. Stoics teach that the key to happiness lies in not dwelling on things beyond our control and not complaining. Embracing the uncontrollable aspects of life, focusing on the present, and savoring the moment contribute to inner peace. Expressing gratitude is considered by Stoics as the foundation of a positive life. Being grateful for small things plays a significant role in building positive relationships and creating a conducive atmosphere. Complaining, on the other hand, can escalate negative energy. Stoics stress the importance of selective silence and internal reflection as tools for leading a conscious life. Avoiding the noise and chaos to gain inner depth through selective silence and introspection is an effective means of developing resilience against changing circumstances. By embracing these principles, Stoicism can empower individuals with inner strength and meaning, enabling them to navigate their lives more consciously and satisfactorily.